Okay, everyone, so as promised, we are going to talk about mitosis. Now, before before we can talk about mitosis, we need to cover some basic introductory concepts. So we will talk about mitosis, but first, let's see, what do we need to cover? We need to talk about the nuclear membrane and just clarify, how the nuclear membrane is different from, say, the plasma membrane of a eukaryotic cell. We need to talk about just some very basic information about the structure of DNA. We need to define this term chromatin. So what is chromatin and how does it differ from DNA? Then we will talk a little bit about chromosome structure. Just a little bit about that. A little bit about the cell cycle. Then this concept called ploidy or ploidy levels, and then the concept of homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. Okay, and after we introduce all of these things, which will probably be review for a lot of you, after we review these, then we'll be ready to talk about the most important parts of mitosis, the things we need to understand to move on from this topic and go into some of the things that are more specific to genetics.